Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. So as you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing a tutorial on this intense blue smoky cat eye using the new, drumroll please, Urban Decay X Game of Thrones collection. I am so excited about this. When I saw that this was first coming out, I lost it. And now I have it in my hands. I cannot wait to show you everything in this collection and how I created this look. So first, let's start off with the collection. I'm going to show you everything in it, and then we'll hop over to the tutorial. So first is the amazing palette. You guys have to see the packaging of this palette. So this palette opens up, and then you can open up and lift this area right here to reveal the Iron Throne, which I think is so cool that they did that and included it in there. And then when you slide the bottom out, you reveal the palette, and here is the palette. It is so beautiful. I love all the names and how they are so true to the show. And here are the swatches of the palette, and we have a mixture of mattes, metallics, and shimmers. And then we have the 4 lipsticks right here. So the packaging, again, is so beautiful. And then each name of the lipstick is a name of a different character. So let me show you the swatches of that. So first we have Cersei Lannister, and it is a bright metallic bronze. And then we have Daenerys Targaryen, which is a fiery metallic red. Sansa Stark, which is a warm peach nude. And last but not least, White Walker, which is a deep berry wine. And then there are the 24/7 Glide On pencils, and these are like no other pencil. They are so beautiful, and the shades are stunning, so I have to show you the swatches of these. So first we have Lannister Gold, which is a metallic gold. Winterfell Snow, which is a iridescent white. Dragon Smoke, which is a smoky holographic black. And last but not least, the Night King, which is a shimmery dark teal. And then there's the Mother of Dragons highlight palette, and the packaging is so cool. It looks like the dragon's egg. And then on the inside, we have 3 highlight shades and then the dragon egg embedded into each highlighter. And then the lip and cheek stain, and this honestly just looks like blood, and it is so cool, and I love that they included that in there. And last but not least, these 2 brushes. So first we have Arya Stark's needle and then Jon Snow's long claw. And I think these brushes might be the coolest part of this whole collection. They just feel like a collector's piece, and how detailed they are, I'm in love with them. So I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing the whole collection, and now we can go ahead and create this look. I really wanted to do something dramatic and intense and bright and smoky, so that is what I did, and obviously I used this collection for today's look. So if you guys want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. The first shade I'm going into is House Lannister. Going in with the Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease as my transition shade. Just going back and forth, and then I'm going to start winging it out. I'm now going into Nymeria, then going in with the E25 blending brush by Sigma. I'm going to start running this shadow through the crease. Again, going back and forth. And then I'm going to start winging this shadow out. And then I'm picking up more shadow, and I'm first kind of just tapping it to create that winged out shape. And then I'm going to bring that back in through the crease, and then now I'm going to start concentrating on blending all of this out. And then going back into House Lannister in the E38, I'm just going to apply this at the high point of the crease to really blend everything out. For my lid, I'm picking up Frozen North. So I'm picking the shadow up on my finger, and I'm going to start applying this across my entire lid. And then I'm just going to swipe down at the very lowest point of my crease. And then I'm picking up the same shadow on my Sigma F70 concealer brush, and I'm going to start creating the winged out shape of the shadow. So now everything looks pretty harsh, especially out here. So what I'm doing is I'm picking up the same Frozen North, which is this blue shadow on my Sigma F54 medium sweeper brush, and I'm going to start really lightly blending this through the crease. And just keep going back and forth and really take your time to blend everything out. And then I'm going to blend out this winged out shape as well. And then picking up the smallest amount of Nymeria on my Sigma E25 blending brush, I'm just going to start concentrating on blending all these shadows together. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going to pick up Frozen North on my F70 concealer brush by Sigma. I'm going into the Urban Decay Game of Thrones 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Winterfell Snow. Now I'm just going to apply this pencil on my inner corner. So then I'm taking a clean F70 concealer brush and I'm just going to lightly blend the edges of this pencil. You got to work quick with these because they do dry down really quickly. To highlight my inner corner, I'm picking up White Walker. And now let's apply the shadow over top and look at how beautiful that is, and it makes it pop so nicely and so bright. And that blue shift, oh my god, I'm loving it. To line my waterline, I'm going to the Urban Decay Game of Thrones 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the Night King. And now I'm just going to line my lower waterline and look at this pencil. It's so pretty. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going into these MAC lashes in number 76. And that's the eye look done. For my lips, I want to try out the Sansa Stark shade. I figured that would be the most appropriate with this look. It's a nice peachy nude, and it is a sheer lipstick from Urban Decay, so that is what I'm going to be using. But because it is sheer, I wanted to line my lips and kind of fill them in first with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Naked. And I'm going to go in and apply the lipstick. This lip liner matched the lipstick so perfectly. It looks beautiful. So now I have no highlight on, so I wanted to try out the Mother of Dragons highlight palette, which is right here. And then I think I'm going to use the middle shade, which is Viserion, right in the center. And I'm going to apply that on the high points of my cheeks using my Sigma High Cheekbone Highlighter F03 brush. I feel so bad I messed up the dragon egg, but the highlight is actually so pretty. I did not expect it to be this bright. It looks beautiful. And that's it. This is a completed look of my blue smoky cat eye using the Urban Decay Game of Thrones collection. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had so much fun doing this look, honestly, because I just love Game of Thrones and I can't believe it's finally back. And I really, really love how the look turned out, and I think the palette is actually amazing, and honestly, every product in here is so, so good. Especially, I'm obsessed with all of these pencils. They're just so different, and I love how they all have like a shimmer through them and some iridescence. I love it, and the palette is insane. All the shades are so pigmented and beautiful, and I can't wait to be watching Game of Thrones in my full glam using the Urban Decay Game of Thrones collection. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have watched Game of Thrones, if you like it, if you didn't like it. If you've never watched it, you should watch it. It's long, it takes a little bit of time to understand, but I'm telling you, it is worth it. So good, I love it. So if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!